Hi, okay. Now I already change the remote electric wheelchair remote controller. Now I want to take one. So this is the second. This is the first round. Okay. Now is the second round. The second round. Okay. Now the electric wheelchair is smoke now. So we can pass it to the customer tomorrow. So who those are interested to purchase repair electric wheelchairs or manual wheelchair can contact me. I will put my number in below. So who those are interested can WhatsApp me. Okay, please like and share and comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.